Ewo, Alade, Okpan low eye, no be open eye. Obes, yeah, cassette. Oh boy, Alade, I don't understand why people, the kind mindset wey some people get, me I don't understand. Obes, may I play cassette? The area where I for grow for Benin City, the recorder side, Ogida Barak, the place big where. You get one guy with the corner Akate, in they stay one room. Reality, Akate they stay one room. Akate sabi play coupon where. All this naira bets, na feed. Akate can go play long game. Those 27 matches game thereabout. Indoor with income win 26, and the money where Akate they expect large anyhow, almost 1.6 million. Person will know the post of 100,000, 1.6. That the thing scatter Akate head. Bay, money never come. The last match na 3 days to 26 don't confirm. Akate na with that happiness go cut check for a landlord for a one room. Cut check for that ones. All those passengers, you dey mad. I go buy your house. He come out there no reach you. Now he go meet all these dealers with the same motor. Say me they give am Benz for coupon wey the money never come. They give am Benz based on trust. Income put collateral, give the land paper. When they say 1 hectare of land, 1 hectare. The cock now, the madman will be the dealer now. As where the land, you know, say you go see him and a village. Now the land day. As someone you hear 1 hectare for a sapini. I say, oh boy, even if the motor go. Now Kate begin cruise Benz. Buy drink. Even come up for us, go hotel. Go lodge 2.5. All those 2.5. For the 3 days, the hotel. The flex. Akate na, the day we want go confirm the match come cut. And that one they say 1 quarter. Okpafin nap. Akate na before the end go get accident with the Benz. Benz don't collapse. The engine scatter. Akate say, damn it, we go buy another one. Based on say they expect money will never come. I don't know why people take they think. Now Akate don't go back, go meet landlord. They beg landlord say, I beg go. Now that one's cause papa, cause he say today, if Akate near this house again, that one they there. The guy now we sell Benz for Akate based on trust. Akate give a land paper 1 hectare, and the man almost in a village. Now the guy can say, okay, make I go show you the place where the land is. Now the guy go village, the big village. The guy fairly reach the village, he tired. Now I can say, okay, make it yours by ask people how much for land here. Now I ask people say like this hectare, now this 1 hectare where you're big like this, how much? Now they say the full land now 15,500. 15,500. We not fit buy the mirror of that Benz. Now Akate Afa, the next thing I see, police soju they carry Akate, and Akate come dey my house before them. Now they come pick am. They come they ask me question. I say, what do you have to say? We no say based on who you be. Now I say based on who I be. No dey here. This is what we call double wahala for dead body. Now I tell them say I no fit talk. Akate, you want to pay? Akate say no be so I suppose. I do bad to tell Akate say Akate I beg follow them go settle your matter. Because this life now per head. I don't try reach to talk say no they do all this open wide. Now you don't go scatter Benz. You don't cost landlord. Hotel you never pay because of coupon. Those of now they play naira bet money you they come for room now the flex that you don't go let her enter your hand. This night what they call double wahala for dead body. Hey, and the owner of dead body. Oh best yeah cassette. You go tire. Akate matter now. How una say make the matter be now make we play for the streets. And I don't say now that conversation. Now the Akate go take. I don't say the only help I feel help you. If I talk finish, they will give you advice. People will give you advice. Take it.